Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm making my daughter's hair. I'm not a hairdresser, but I came into this country and I decided to be making my daughter's hair because seeing where to make hair in the area we are staying is pretty hard, and if you need to make hair at all, you have to book for the person to come to your house. So I turned to a hairdresser in UK. So you can see making toddler's hair is like fight war front. Making her hair is at the point I was so tired of. I was thinking of, should I stop this natural hair of a thing for her? It has not been easy making toddler's hair. To be sincere with you, it was not easy making her hair. But one thing about me, if I say today I'm making her hair, we must make this hair. So if you're a mother struggling with how to make your daughter's hair, this video is for you, my dear. We have to be learning by ourselves. This is the easiest way I do boss bread. It's not boss bread, it's just like normal bread, because the cutting is not like a boss bread. So like my normal bread, this is the easiest way I can do it. And though it's not too tight for her because she's a little girl, I don't want her to start having headache. So I make it very light for her. Very loose, a bit loose, not too loose, but a bit loose for her. You can see she's carrying natural hair. So if you have been looking out for how to make your daughter's hair, it's time to start learning like me, because we got no choice. So we have to start learning with our children's hair. So this is how I started. This is the easiest way I do my own. I will first cut out. If I cut out, I will just get one attached. I'm not crossing it, just like normal. If you want to make normal bread, you cross attach and use it. So no, I'm not crossing it. For it to be easy for me, I'm not crossing it. And I needed it to be a bit okay down there. Like I said, I'm not a hairstylist. I'm learning with my daughter's hair. So after cutting it like this, I try to comb it out pretty well, make sure it is well combed. And I'll just pick one piece of attach like this. I'm not crossing anything. I'll just cross it on the top, just this, and I will share it into three. Share her hair and put the attach, you can see, and I will start plating it out. You can see it's very easy. This is the easiest way you can learn how to braid if you don't know how to braid, or if you're learning. So this is the easiest way you can learn how to braid. Just one piece of attach, you just cross it, divide the hair, and you start plaiting. My dear, making a toddler's hair is so draining. That's just the truth. It's not an easy task, but I choose to do it once in a blue moon, because in this land, nobody makes hair and lose anyhow here. She has a natural hair, so she has to carry it for a long time. If I feel it's even old, sometimes I will pour water inside the hair. That is it. Till another day I will get strength, because it can take it can drain me, because after making this hair I will not be able to achieve much that day. That's just the truth. The hair will drain me. She bending, you bend. She standing, you stand. That kind of a thing. The whole thing is so tiring. So you can see just one piece of attach. I'll just cross it. You can see I'll just cross it. That's all, and share it. So if you're learning how to make this hair, it's very easy, very easy. This is the easiest ever. This is the easiest. Since I started learning, this is the easiest I saw, and I tried it. It was so nice for me. It was so nice for me. I appreciate it, and if you try it, you also appreciate this style. It's so nice. It's so nice. You can see I'm still struggling to make the natural hair hide inside the attach. But I don't mind. It's a natural hair, so and I'm not trimming it because it's a natural hair stuff. If there is anything trimming, I have to just do it after the hair. But anything trimming around her hair, where I placed her hair, no, I'm not trimming it at all. This is the easiest way I make the hair. Immediately I finished the last one, I used wool to start holding it because I want to coil the mouth. I used wool to start holding it down, just like sharing it into different batches and getting ready. Right now I'm boiling hot water for it. Please, if you don't know how to handle water, please don't do this, please, I beg you, because so you're not going to pour your daughter hot water. Better leave it like this, or you do another, you plate all out, that you just pack it like that, please, because you felt that your daughter or your child will be struggling a lot when they see vapor or like hot water around them. Please don't do this, I beg. Me, I tried. It was not even easy for me to work with it, but I know it's very bit, but it's not easy. It's a pure risk to me. I was like, there's no need of me doing this style of hair again. Maybe this will be the last time I will do it, because a child is a child. Only me self as an adult, if I make a hair that needs coils like this, the vapor, the heat on my hair can even help make me to start shaking my hair when the heat is much. Talk more of a toddler. So if you know you cannot do this, please just plait out all the mouth all through. That's the easiest way to me to tell you if you don't want to do this stuff. But if you want to do it, you can see what I'm doing. You just plait it roughly and you drag it, and that's all. Like I said, I'm not a stylist. I'm a learner like you if you're learning like me. So this is hot water. I'll just drip and I'll use my another towel to dry it out. You can see the vapor is making her scream. So that is it. So that is it. When you have a child that can jump up, it can be so risky. So if you're not sure of it, please don't do it. So that is all. This time I will open it with my scissors, open the mouth and begin to remove the coils. It came out beautiful. Like I said, I'm learning, so this is beginners friendly. If you're learning like me, you need this video to start. Yes, you might do your own and your own will come out more beautiful than my own, but I was so happy. At least the person I made the hair for, she really appreciated it at last. She really loved the hair, and when she was ready, we were preparing for a birthday party. That's the reason why I made this hair, for a birthday party. So she was so happy that she's ready for her party now. So she can go for her birthday party. So the hair is lovely. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I appreciate you. Or you can see her saying her hair is beautiful. Indeed, she really appreciates the hair. You can see, so simple, so nice. You can do it. That's it. Encourage yourself. Try something. Don't conclude that you cannot do it. You can do it. Just try. Okay, you will hear her voice saying she loves her hair.
Wow, I love it. And I gotta go to party.
Yeah, you will soon go to party.